Security supervisor direct the day-to-day activities of the security personnel on duty, assign tasks to security staff and monitor their performance, ensure proper patrolling and monitoring of hotel premises, respond to security breaches and escalate issues to management, provides on-the-job guidance and training to security guards. Security officer, security guard, responsible for patrolling and ensuring the safety of guests, staff and property. Patrols guest areas, back of the house and parking lots, monitors CCTV cameras and reports suspicious activity. Respond to emergencies such as medical incidents or evacuation. Enforces access control and screen visitors or contractors. Provide assistance to guests and staff in case of security issues.